6 machines, 1 video. And by the end, you'll know exactly which CPAP is right for you in 2026. No fluff, no jargon, let's go. I'm Gabriel from SleepPlay, and we've been helping people find the right CPAP for years. Today we're breaking down the 6 best machines on the market right now. From the best overall to the best for travel, budget, and advanced therapy. We'll also do a quick which one is right for you at the end, so stick around. Let's count it down. Number 6. The 3B Medical Luna G3 Auto CPAP. This right here is the best budget pick. And this one surprises people. For a lower price point, you're getting a heated humidifier with a preheat mode, so the air is already warm before you put your mask on. You also get heated tubing, Wi-Fi data sharing, and quiet operation. It's not flashy, but it works. It's comfortable and it won't break the bank. If you're new to CPAP or replacing an older machine and don't want to overspend, start here. Number 5. The ResMed AirCurve 11 VAuto. The AirCurve 11 isn't for everyone, but if you tried CPAP and struggled with it, this might be exactly what you need. It's a bi-level machine, meaning it uses a higher pressure when you inhale and a lower pressure when you exhale. That difference makes breathing feel completely natural, even at higher settings. It's built on the same platform as the AirSense 11, touchscreen, integrated humidifier, app connectivity, but with clinical grade pressure control underneath. If your doctor's mentioned BiPAP, or if CPAP has felt uncomfortable in the past, this is worth a serious look. Number 4. The Transcend Micro Auto CPAP. The Transcend Micro is one of the smallest CPAP machines ever made, and in 2026, it's even better thanks to USB-C charging. Charge it from your laptop, your power bank, your car, anywhere. It's whisper quiet, has a waterless humidification option, and adjusts pressure automatically throughout the night. This one's for the people who refuse to let sleep apnea slow their travel down. Backpackers, business travelers, campers, this is your machine. Number 3. The ResMed AirMini AutoSet. If the Transcend Micro is for the minimalist, the AirMini is for the traveler who wants full ResMed performance in a tiny package. It weighs under a pound, it's FAA approved, and the HumidX waterless humidifier keeps you comfortable at altitude. No water chamber needed. Pair it with the AirMini app and you get full data tracking, just like a home machine. One honest note, it's optimized for travel, not nightly home use. Think of it as your away machine. For that purpose, nothing beats it. Number 2. The ResMed AirSense 10 AutoSet. The proven classic. The AirSense 10 has been the gold standard for years, and it's still earning that title in 2026. Auto ramp so you can ease into therapy, built-in humidifier, My Air app integration, whisper quiet. It just works. No learning curve, no complicated setup. If you want reliable, proven therapy without paying a premium for the latest features, the AirSense 10 is your machine. It's the most recommended CPAP by sleep therapists for a reason. Number 1. The ResMed AirSense 11 AutoSet. The best CPAP machine of 2026. Here's what makes it different. It's not just a CPAP, it's a personal therapy system. The built-in personal therapy assistant walks you through setup and mask fit. Care Check-in gives you daily coaching right on the screen. The algorithm tracks your sleep, flags issues, and adjusts automatically. It has a touchscreen interface, smart humidifier, auto data sync to your doctor, and a dedicated for her mode for female sleep patterns. The jump from AirSense 10 to 11 is like upgrading from a flip phone to a smartphone. Once you use it, the older generation feels outdated. If you can only choose one, this is it. So, which one is right for you? Quick decision guide. 3 questions. 1. Are you traveling a lot? Go AirMini if you want ResMed quality. Go Transcend Micro if you want maximum portability and USB-C charging. 2. Have you tried CPAP before and struggled with it? Look at the AirCurve 11. The bi-level pressure makes a huge difference for people who have trouble tolerating standard CPAP. Important note, your doctor must prescribe the BiPAP option. 3. What's your budget? Under $800? The Luna G3 is your best value. Want proven and reliable? AirSense 10. Want the best of everything? AirSense 11. And one more thing. All of these home units accept FSA and HSA, so check your benefits before you buy. Links to every machine are in the description, along with our full 2026 CPAP buying guide and the latest SleepPlay deals. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. We put out honest, no-nonsense sleep content every week. And drop a comment. Which machine are you going with? From all of us at SleepPlay, sleep well. We'll see you next time.